In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your HostGator domain. Maybe you're moving to another platform or you simply don't need the domain anymore. The process is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you step by step. First, open your browser and go to HostGator.com. At the top right corner, click Sign In. Enter your HostGator account email and password to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the HostGator dashboard. This is where you can manage your resources, hosting, and domains. On the left-hand menu, look for the tab labeled Domains and click on it. Here you'll see a list of all domains registered under your account. From the list, find the domain you want to cancel. Next to it, you'll see options for managing domain settings. Click the option labeled Disable. This begins the cancellation process. HostGator may ask you to confirm since canceling is permanent. If you're sure, confirm the action. HostGator will then deactivate your domain. Once complete, your domain will no longer be active. It's always a good idea to check your email for a confirmation message. This ensures the cancellation has been fully processed. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your HostGator domain. If you run into any issues, reach out to HostGator's support team for help. Thanks for watching.